Hey guys, if you're opening ChatGPT today and you saw this scary message, please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed. Don't panic, actually, this is not your fault and you have not been blocked from ChatGPT. You didn't block anything and it's not your internet, right? So, right now, literally millions of people are facing the same problem. Exact, this is what happens because of the Cloudflare. Yes, Cloudflare, the company which basically processes the ChatGPT and is having a massive global outage as we speak right now. So I'm recording this on 18th of November, and yes, it's happening right now. There's a lot of applications those who are using Cloudflare for processing their data is down right now. You can see here. I usually use tlddraw.com for this sketch, right? So it's down. So probably all the applications those who are using Cloudflare is down right now. So if you want to see is it down or up, or there is a website which is called Down Detector. So you can see Cloudflare is down. User report indicate problem at Cloudflare, and it's you can see there is a massive spike from 5 p.m. right, and status is identified issue, and Twitter is basically flooded from all those things. You can see if you search Chat GPT down, then you'll see a lot of things. Okay, and Twitter is flooded. It's not just you who feel like it's down. Okay, but blockchain was up, so there's a lot of memes also coming around all those things. So don't panic, clear your entire browser data if you want to access this very quickly, because right now till the Cloudflare will not get fixed, you're not going to do all those things, right? So sometime VPN work, but again Cloudflare is something which processes all the data, so you won't be able to access that now. So 99% chances is how you can fix this thing is, I'll tell you, wait for 10 to 60 minutes, right? Because Cloudflare outage usually get fixed super fast, because there's a lot of DOS attack in the past history as well, but it got fixed, right? So the team is very uh, good, right? Cloudflare is working very hard on all those things. So you can use Grok, right? Alternatively, which is not down yet, and promoting Elon Musk, right? You can use Cloud AI, you can use Gemini, all right. So yes, Cloudflare will fix this soon, and this always do drop like save from panic comment and fixed when you start working, right? When you start working, just comment down fix, and subscribe this channel, because we are bringing all the emergency fix video as soon as possible. And see you in the next video. Stay calm and keep promoting. Have a great day. Jai Hind.